Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a seasonal swoosh transition in Shotcut. I'm not sure swoosh is a technical term, but I'm going with it. First, create your swoosh graphic and bring it into Shotcut on a track above what you're swooshing from and to. You could create something within Shotcut, but if you want an image to use lots of times, a graphic is much better in my opinion. Yes, that's supposed to be snow. Using the size, position and rotate filter, create the zoom across the screen keyframe. I'll link to a more basic keyframe video at the end if you've never done this before. You should do this in one step and adjust the length of time to get the effect you want. Stopping the image in the middle will likely look jarring. So here I'm making it come in from a position of 2000 and exit to a position of -2000. If you want to have this effect to use often, save this as a preset. Then, anytime you put that graphic on the timeline, you can add the swoosh effect to it in seconds. And here's what it looks like for real. I know my screen capture is a bit stuttered on this one. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.